Hi guys, got a request on one of my videos from PJ Guz on how to turn the LEDs on this dash cam. The video he was commenting on was actually the video where I show you how to go through the menu on this and set up the features. As you can see, this one's got LEDs around the front to give you night vision. So they're infrared LEDs. You can't actually see them with the naked eye when they're on, but you will be able to see through this camera because that picks up infrared. Anyway, there's two ways of turning it on. There's the simple way and the ridiculously complicated way. So I'll show you the simple way first. All the buttons are along the bottom here. So that's your on-off button at this end. And then you've got left and right, menu, OK and mode. So if we turn it on, blue light comes on and then we get the display. I'll actually turn some of these lights off so it's not quite so bright around here. Okay, so it's on, it's upside down at the moment. Now the easy way is you just press the on-off button briefly and straight away that little light bulb comes up there and the LEDs are on. And that's really as far as I need to go on this video. But I'll go a bit further because I'll show you the complicated way, because I thought the complicated way might set the LEDs on automatically when you power up, but it doesn't. So turn them off again, go into menu mode, press that again to get from the normal menu to the setup menu, which is the little spanner there. Can you see that? Hope we can. So we've got format, language, auto off and LCD off. Well, LCD is liquid crystal display, that's the screen that we're talking about. So even though that little picture there was the same one that we were seeing just now, it's nothing to do with that. We need to press the left-right button to step down through the options. And then on the next screen at the bottom there we've got LED. So I'll just turn it over again to show that they're not on at the moment. And step down there. Press OK. That takes us to on off. So again, they're still off at the moment. Press the left right button to go to on. Press OK. I'll do that while we're looking at it. And there you go, they're on. Now I had hoped that that would set it so that when you turn it on and off manually, the infrared LEDs would come on straight away, but they don't. So the menu to get out of this is that button. So the light's on at the moment. So if we power off, holding that in, and then power back on again, it doesn't have the LEDs on. So I really can't see any reason for having to go through all that menu to get to the LED on off when you can just press that button to turn it on and off. A waste paper bin there. Turn the lights off so we're in the dark. Put the camera in front. Press the on off button briefly. And there we are. We can see the snowman in the bottom of the bin. That's it, really. Nothing more I can say. So LED on and off is just press the button quickly, the on off button quickly. That's it, gents. Hope that helps.